aba ede eba too much GH so muni aba ekwesikapa ena menemu edi eche na Ghana wahala dwumedie ena woni kusu amohwe na mamu nim se ade chi ade esen bia na chese ensem foforo de dan da na ebi eba aba bepiemu ewo yeman yi emu na abusuafo se obi egu obi hu fi de akwakoye sese de eno ne the trends a ekoso ewo Ghana ahase se obi ka obi wansem se obi ese obi epa obi hu entoma se we de ne ye pantoma wo pa ne hu ntoma no like akoye common akoye ade asese de Ghana de ukunu wona baby a enoa ena uhunu wo monten so enoa na uhunu ena ewo ya befo eye social media ni bibia eso enoa na chese eko eye eso a chese efutu a eko so ni nyem obi anya na de se wo fa emu aba wo dwen won se we ya mekan we ya mekwa koye ebetimi de nsunsun so boni bia na se that chi be ebetimi de wo how bi aba na se manom ebetimi akwa koye mika emebi ama wan hwa mintimi enje eye me hu emfri eye ensem no emu dent na mekasa ensemi eye actress and din ede diamond appear an abaye ya mobeka ya ebra miss ball ye koche no anasa posifo ensa eso ni mu ana wo motutu na no enam eye ni nsense bia bebeto abontem sa abaya no na chese wo bebebo se ana wo kire mu achese miss ball de se na no eye ne pere ya na chese eye so ene beye eye ni second wo mu kai sa abaya no awosi wo no de wo pope eye sham eye kama champagne sa abaya no ho asem na make asa wonim na mfoni na eda screen no eso na enedey wodin sembi ababa betu edwama bloggers Ghana fo binom so afansem na esem woni eye yankasa yem papa eye doctor Osei Kwame despite na wode no na ensem no say na yenu aba no wode ekokoto eye abonten ebusuafo making kan emfa emamu. So until we all buy private jets and use for over 5 years, get to the top 20 billionaires list in Ghana, etc. We are all on the same level. You don't pay my workers and I don't pay yours. We all own properties in East Legon. Therefore, East Legon doesn't belong to you. The cheap titles you paid those Turkish or say East European scammers to come and confer on our illiterate assets to upgrade your Kantamanto status doesn't mean shit to a well-educated lady like me. With as little as $10,000 as imbecile can pay for those titles. You have forgotten so soon how you used to hustle at Kantamanto and sleep in people's studios unless cheap men with no shame. The day I will erupt like tornado and expose how you rob me of my sweat to Ghanaians. Nobody can quench the fire. Go and pay those small girls you sleep with at East Legon and give 500 Ghana and a emoji awasre and all the fools etwa so na ebusiafo no answer one more na chese audio bi so awosan so eposti ye enso eka ho na ebusia moma yenkonkotie ye ba ye beto aso.
Hi guys, so I've noticed that most of Ghanaians don't research, they just see something and then conclude that, oh, blah, 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 blah. So this evening, I've taken it upon myself to educate everyone and let them know that there are real billionaires in Ghana. Real billionaires, but they don't make noise. And your mom, ye did no more demeka. I bear 2 years, Nikomun to me, chia mekano. Omo ye can't for Ghana, omon come. Let me run you through the list. The first person who was actually the richest man in the Forbes 2020 top 10 list is the late Mr. Charles Ampofo. Until he died a few weeks ago, his net worth was $1.46 billion. Number 2, Dr. Kwame Adokufo. $1.2 billion. Not million, no. I'm talking of $1 billion here. Okay. Number 3 is our own John Mahama. With all this money, this gentleman is very humble and very quiet. Number 4, Mahama brother, Michael Ibrahim Mahama. With all his money, cars, private jets, blah, 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 He's also very, very humble and very hardworking. Number 5, Irani family. So let's just run through quickly. Number 6, Kwabna Dufour. Number 7, Dr. Sam Jonah. Number 8, the Hiti family. Number 9, Jansan Yared. Number 10, Serge Bakalian. In fact, if I go all the way to number 20, Krana, top 20 billionaires in Ghana, Krana, San Crofono Modemekano, Omon Kaho. Until we all get to this list, minimum we're on the same level. And you know, tia me workers come me, and then so na me tia workers come out. We are all on the same level. You na do billionaires. Into my na level. Member try so be intimidate you obi a okroma cause one kasa unu obi a your body will Togo cry anymore. But Dangote is known worldwide. So shut up.
Say and or they and some no to a year a judge say one people less than any HS former President John Dramani Mahama Dibe PMO a yeni Beman Susu Dibe PMO just a penny for a cuckoo dam Dangote more just a one more ekika a year a home. Ah, just an same can ye a mono Ghana for now said Dudona Esu say a doctor or say Kwame despite who and some and our D to just as a yapa pay while Babontia Babeka a year or sharing stories in primping ever how our tonic cassette. Mountain so and said you know or that and bontain won't enquire enti a ba a diamond appeared in some way ever to a jam one more else to say one a year doctor or say Kwame despite now and same way abusia form there bio say obia your dear obi any war I have a year some ebia mama have some yibi na say bibi enko yenti ase bi enko wo montemwa na yes so be babonten abegu nipa nanimu asem abekeka ensem and say wunsura and I didn't know won body because why you bold enough for say wo be so wungu nipa nanimu asem why you bold enough so won say nipa na I didn't know dane da obi nya akokodro no so obeye bibi obe say obi obetane she obi image and so edu say won bo nipa ni din say de be ya Ghana for be hunu say oh nipa sumasi ana obenten and I wodi no ana kwakwa yedin and e wusuro de na wo be ka yedin usura and wo be ka yedin so wonim say nipa wo ba be ka me ho asemi ebe ya asem ebe ye nyoma bi a wan kasa no ahwa wan be kwakwa yi ukade a and na wo be ka yedin Ghana for ye ne me like wo pese ye fa ya adwi emu na ye nsusu na blogger bi kokotro ana wo bi kokoka ya ka say aha we ne kan ye na wo nya den na afrim se wo say onso so ye bossu wo say enkrofo wo mayi mu ache se wo mo ayeden adi wo mo bra na wo mo ewo sika na se obi ene wo won pempen so am ade asasi so your pre challenge asasi so your competition ana di ya na se so obi ebenya ama na bro so no adom anyame edibedumom enye competition bi a wo beko enye eyi bi a chese wo benya na se obi na enye ni sika na wa ye na adwe so wo beko akwakope titles e de ama no ho a wo de nka wo simu wo sen wo hwe na super titles ni bi enye no ane so wo beko akwako nso beko akotua wo sika ni bi sansa wo se ane sa $10,000 no invest obi abetimi de atua like we should know how to use certain words so social media because nipa de wudua no eno na we de wutwa o den a wonso ma ebeba ba bedrum bebe so bi o wanyini nkwa de penfo be ka so yo be nkwa de enye ya eti so ma me aso na wanko be ka so yo be nkwa de enye ya because den a wo be wo wonso so be so a wo ba se wankwa na waka ye hu so di bidi wo ma me enti we a wo ka wo bi hu asem no wonso yo ba o ebedrum re bi won tia on ka tia se fo hu biem ebia na wo yere ana ebia sorry wo ma e be kokoko pe eye enjuma ana so wo kokoko hie nipa no so emma na o pe eye bibi breakthrough bibi na be nam se nipa no so na enam se wo ne ye no wusu wo dan na die ntino na wo si wo ma enhira ehun ekwan na wo si eye wo ma empuntu ehun ekwan na echire yin se wo ma de so bo ebo wa wo beje wo so bo atuma na eno be bi wo ho no ma ye dream prem eno be bi wo ho no ma ye dream da chi ebi ba yen kan wo se ene life are you living no eno ene be che future de ye no eno na be che se future ye benya ye ho asembone aka anase ye nya ye ho asembone bi enka na se da chi bi o ma de so bo ebo eno mo ne ye bi wonsem kan ye bi wonsem bi a wo tro ye e wo social media eso e de eto eye page bi eso na eno e ba be hante wo ma enti no wo betimi ada and as I'm running, I also buy what you saw go to join him. I was up on a factory dear free nipan home. So good any month as Sianasa was saying. Will be our choir or fast so a day, a dream pepper so would do. So a wapo, so a year day, a day, at that time, and that hardship, no, and a man taking that decision, that hardship, and a man no etusa and a mono, and to what mean you so, and you will be passed. And far and say no. What mean you so be passed and far and then and straight a year and no. Now I was for commenter about buy a year say because you can kind of more and red belco. Oh, Hono share a year and some said they making kind of with your audio and said they buy a year and then some to your audio so one wedding. Now so Ghana for so say a year similar to a year doctor or say Kwame that's right into obey me at the and no. Then I was so bet me I can't edit on a look and so no. Since they say this a year trend way a see any so and for I didn't share a brand. Oh, too much GH, a comment section, like your videos, now share. Oh, other social media platform, wait my following your IG page, and then a Twitter handles so. Nina at too much GH _ Facebook, a too much GH _ meaning a QSC Capadasane, Yabasanishia.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and Besame TV. Me share too much GH chat. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam, I say love you.
Too much GH. We boy wate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me dey the Isaiah Kodwampo. We betumi afem the great tempo. Mbring. One man come on here Too Much GH. Too much GH. Too much. Na me so me I'm on fire.